How's it going? This is The Modern Creative, and we welcome you to our show. We're looking at two utility tools that can be very helpful to any music producer. The first one is called Plugin Station, and as you can see, it basically keeps inventory of all of your plugins. Sometimes plugins become out of date. Sometimes they are superseded by different versions of the plugins. And it's important to keep all of this information in mind. This is probably the most comprehensive plugin application that I've seen like this. I mean, you get all the bells and whistles, support pages, product pages. In the past, I've seen products like this that are really cool, really nifty, very useful. Personally, I always get rid of my AAX files. So it was really simple to just basically find these, select in Finder, and I was able to go to that folder, and then I would just delete everything. What we're looking at here, though, is an entirely different system altogether. Not only can you really stay on top of your plugin compatibility, but something else that's very important is the fact that you can manage all of your licenses as well. Now, obviously, this is going to take a couple of hours, and so definitely set aside a weekend or some downtime when you do this. But all in all, very interesting. You can also uninstall any plugins that you just don't see yourself using anymore. I don't really use these plugins anymore, so you can basically just click on it and then uninstall. I'll click on Uninstall, and it's as simple as that. I'm really looking forward to managing all of my licenses, past, present, and future. But now we're going to transition to the next software, and this one is really cool. It's called Install Assistant. And the magic here is that if you are an active buyer of plugins, or you're somebody that likes to try new tools out, it's really easy to take whatever it is that you're trying to install, drag it into this software, and you just hit Start. And in the background, it's just doing all of that boring work for you. This is an incredible concept. You can just create a source folder, drop it in there, and have Install Assistant do all the work. Now, I personally bought both of these outright. I do believe they offer subscription options. And as you can see here, they have some kind of working relationship. I'm not sure if it's a subsidiary company or not, but it looks like they promote and work with one another. So that is an incredible thing to be able to take care and expedite these processes of downloading plugins and being able to manage plugins as well. And it was really easy. Didn't really take that much work. We know that the work of a music producer and the modern creative is tenfold. You wear a lot of hats, and one of those hats is definitely administration work. So you're going to need to stay on top of your game as you ride the highs and the lows of the music world. So again, you can assign a source folder if you wish. But I'm not going to do that now. So anyway, Install Assistant and Plugin Station. Really interesting ways of keeping yourself organized and really conducting yourself like a professional. But I hope you liked this video. I've been extremely busy as of late. I spent the entire morning sequencing and recording a hardware base. This is a very demanding profession, and I highly recommend you guys try and get a little bit better every single day. Find a way to win and realize that it's a game of inches. And if you're really going to get across, and if you're going to succeed, you're going to need to stay sharp. And I wanted to thank you so much for your support. I'm super grateful that I now have AI assistants helping me so I can keep bringing you content. Thank you so much for watching. All right, take good care. Many blessings.